going to learn how to make paper at home. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So for this, we are going to use any old paper and cut it into small pieces. Then store it into any container. Pour some water into the container and make sure that all the papers are completely dipped into the water. We are going to leave paper into the water for the night. Now our paper is completely ready for the next step. So now to make the paper mash, I am using the mixer. You can use the grinder also. Don't grind the paper without water, otherwise the paper will not grind properly and it will stick to the cutter. So pour some water to blend it well. Now our paper mash is ready. Store it into another container and mix it well with water. If you find some ungrinded paper, just pick it up and remove from the paper mash. So now you need a frame, a net frame in which you can store your mash. I am using this net frame. This instrument is being used by mother into the kitchen. So I guess you all can find this easily. Put as much as you want. If you want the paper to be more thick, then put more amount of paper mash into the net. I am using this white color bowl to store the unwanted water. Now pour the water and let the paper settle equally. Now I am using a sponge to remove the extra water. You can use a tissue or a cotton cloth also. I am using this white color cotton cloth for the next step. You can use any cloth, but it should be of cotton. Now keep the cotton cloth on the net and push it well so that the cloth absorbs all the extra water. Now push the net with the sponge so that all the paper mash that is stick to the net is removed. Now you can see that no paper is left stick to the net. Now I can easily remove it. If still you feel that it will tear up, then you can use any sharp object and pull the net like this. Carefully remove the net. Put it upside down on the surface and then press it well. Now we are going to cover it with another cotton cloth so that we can iron the paper. You will find the paper is still a bit wet. Keep it in the sun to dry and again iron it well to make sure no crack is there. As you can see, the quality of paper is amazing. I have made myself one painting on the paper and it seems really pretty. Try one by yourself. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.